So this is the sit and rise test. This is a functional assessment of your capacity to get up and down off of the ground. This test also has high correlation to all-cause mortality. So folks that can do this without having to make contact with the floor have a higher degree or higher probability of living longer. So I'm gonna go through the test, what it looks like, and the point system. So it's 5 points you score for going down and 5 points for standing up. The perfect score is 10. Any point of contact that you make with the floor, so for instance, hand touching the floor, forearm touching the ground, knee touching the floor, it's minus a point. Any loss of balance would be the subtraction of a half a point. So this is how the test is set up. Ideally, you don't have shoes on, so go in socks, go barefoot. You can use a nice soft mat if you want, whatever's more comfortable. But you just start by crossing your legs over from a standing position. And you come down to a seated position. Doesn't matter how long it takes you to get down, all the way to the ground. You want to make sure you make contact all the way with the floor. Then you want to get back up from the same position, being able to maintain your balance through the entire movement. Now we want to also see asymmetries. So also have folks do the other side as well. So you can cross over the other leg and do it. I'll show you just an example of what a minusing a point would look like. So if I went from a descending position and I had to put my hand on the ground like this, that'd be 1 point that get deducted. If I try to get back up, I have to touch the ground again, that'd be another point. For instance, another point. Then coming from a standing position, so just in that, on the bottom phase, that would be minus 1 point. Even coming from the up phase, minus 2 points, so my score would be a 7 out of 10. If I went from this position and tried to get up, again, touching the ground, forearm, etc. If I got up, and let's say I lost my balance for some reason, that'd be minus half of a point. So that's the sit and rise test. See if you can get 10 out of 10.